Hello, this is Mr. Calfee's AP Bio class, and today we will be modeling the steps for glycolysis. The process takes place in the cytoplasm of the cell, and during glycolysis, glucose gets transformed into two pyruvates, three carbon molecules. The steps for glycolysis are phosphorylation, lysis, oxidation, and ATP formation. Officially, the inputs for glycolysis are 1 glucose, 2 NAD+, 4 ADP, and 4 P, and the outputs are 4 ATP, 2 NADH, 2 H+, and 2 pyruvates. In phosphorylation, two ATP molecules are hydrolyzed and split into two ADP molecules and two inorganic phosphates. The inorganic phosphates are then attached to the glucose molecule. Phosphorylation is needed to start glycolysis and necessary for the formation of ATP, as it is the third phosphate added to ADP. Lysis is the second step of glycolysis, where the phosphorylated glucose molecule splits into two smaller molecules. Each molecule is a 3-carbon molecule with a phosphate. In the oxidation step of glycolysis, NAD+ serves as the oxidizing agent of the 3-carbon molecule as it pulls off two hydrogen atoms. The NAD+ molecule accepts two protons and one higher energy electron from the two H's to make NADH. While this occurs, one inorganic phosphate attaches itself to the 3-carbon molecule. As products in from both 3-carbon molecules, oxidation results in two NADHs, two H pluses, and two 3-carbon molecules with two phosphates attached to it. This step oxidizes the 3-carbon molecule and reduces the NAD+. Substrate level phosphorylation occurs when an enzyme transfers a phosphate group from a substrate to ADP and forms ATP. 4 ADP and 4 phosphate groups get inputted in, and 4 ATP molecules and 2 pyruvates gets produced. A net total of 2 ATPs are produced by the end of the process. Regulating glycolysis is important because if we have high levels of ATP, it is not necessary to waste resources to make more energy. Phosphofructokinase is able to regulate glycolysis through allosteric inhibition. Because of this, cell can increase or decrease the rate of glycolysis in response to the cell's energy requirements. So if there is a high amount of ATP, the ATP can regulate phosphofructokinase and glycolysis, and the allosteric molecule is ATP.